If you make a list of the best mirrorless cameras, the names of Nikon Z8 and Canon EOS R1 will surely pop up. From Nikon's high-resolution prowess to Canon's unmatched versatility, these two cameras fill distinct creative needs. But can the Z8's detailed imaging and advanced video features overtake the R1's professional-grade performance? That is what we will find out today. The Nikon Z8 takes pride in its portability feature for getting 28% smaller and 18% lighter than the Canon EOS R1. At 910 grams and boasting a compact design, the Z8 is ideal for photographers who frequently travel or work in dynamic environments where reducing gear weight is critical. Despite its smaller size, Nikon's use of magnesium alloy and carbon fiber ensures the Z8 is both durable and environmentally conscious. Although carbon fibers contribute to greenhouse emissions, but that's another topic, we would leave that one for you to decide. Its weather sealing provides additional protection for outdoor shoots. Canon's EOS R1, on the other hand, opts for a robust flagship design, featuring a built-in vertical battery grip. This may increase the overall weight to 1120 grams, but offers significant advantages, especially when it requires you to shoot for a very long period of time, and that too in portrait mode while getting excess battery power. It's because you can either attach multiple batteries out there, in case you need additional backup or your camera gets a stream of battery supply at a critical moment. It essentially increases shooting capacity dramatically to 1,330 shots, nearly 4 times the Z8's 340 shots per charge. This makes the R1 better suited for marathon shooting sessions, such as weddings, sports events, or wildlife expeditions. By the way, for Z8, the grip option is optional. When it comes to sensors, the Nikon Z8 offers a 45.4 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, which enhances the finest detail for the image and ensures it doesn't lose its quality upon large-scale prints and high-resolution cropping. By omitting the anti-alias filter, Nikon maximizes sharpness due to its ability to capture every bit of detail, but fails to hold on to the true color of the subject the moment the subject is held with fine pattern. It will create unwanted moiré patterns. In contrast, Canon's EOS R1 features a 24 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, lesser than Z8 that gives it larger pixels, meaning each bigger pixel creates more light individually, which is better for low-light performance and overall image quality in challenging conditions. Besides, it is relatively newer than Z8 by year 1 or 2, giving it an advantage of being equipped with the stellar latest technology that gives it better lighting, absorbing capacity per pixel. Canon further enhances this with an extended ISO range of 100 to 102400, expandable to an impressive 50 to 24800, compared to the Z8's range of 64 to 250600. The Canon EOS R1 dominates in viewfinder technology with its 9.44 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, offering exceptional clarity and a larger image magnification. This translates to having a better view in low-light conditions and understanding the effects of camera settings instantly before the click. Its fully articulated 3.2-inch LCD screen provides maximum flexibility, giving vloggers and photographers the ability to shoot from unusual angles. The Nikon Z8's viewfinder has a 3.69 million dot resolution, which works well for most professional needs, but doesn't feel as immersive. Its tilting LCD screen is sturdy, but isn't as flexible as Canon's fully articulated screen, making it less appealing for video makers or those who love taking selfies. When it comes to performance, the cameras play to their strength. The Nikon Z8 is good for resolution and burst speed. It offers 45 points, 4 megapixel stills, and a burst rate of up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This makes it an exceptional choice for capturing fast-moving subjects without sacrificing detail. The Z8 also features a faster mechanical shutter speed, ensuring minimal motion blur during high-speed shooting. The Canon EOS R1 focuses on sheer speed, achieving a blistering 40 FPS burst rate with the electronic shutter and 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter. This is paired with Canon's advanced autofocus system, powered by deep learning, which excels at subject tracking for fast action scenarios such as sports or wildlife photography. While the lower resolution may seem limiting at a glance, this enables the R1 to process images faster, as image processor works faster with lower resolutions. For videographers, the Nikon Z8 takes the lead with its ability to record 8K video at 60 FPS, delivering unmatched clarity and detail. This capability is further enhanced by internal ProRes RAW HQ recording and 4K at 120 FPS for stunning slow-motion effects. Its dual-format recording allows for simultaneous RAW and proxy files, streamlining post-production workflows. Canon's EOS R1, while capped at 6K RAW recording, leverages the full-frame sensor width to produce cinematic visuals with Canon's signature color science. The R1 also offers Full HD recording at an impressive 240 FPS, catering to professionals who prioritize smooth, slow-motion video. Its advanced heat management system also ensures extended recording durations without overheating, a critical advantage for filmmakers. Both cameras support professional-grade features like dual card slots and Bluetooth connectivity. The Canon also has Ethernet support for faster wired transfers, which makes it a fit for studio and event professionals, but the Z8 does not. Lens availability is another critical factor. The Nikon Z mount currently offers a broader selection of 98 lenses compared to Canon's RF mount with 61 lenses. Price often determines a photographer's final decision. The Nikon Z8 launched at $4,500, making it a more affordable option for those seeking flagship performance. Its longer presence in the market may also lead to greater discounts, increasing its value proposition. The Canon EOS R1, with a launch price of $6,200, reflects its flagship status and cutting-edge technology. While the premium cost is justified for action-oriented professionals, it might keep budget-conscious buyers away. The decision to choose between the Canon EOS R1 and the Nikon Z8 ultimately depends on the photographer's priorities and shooting style. Both cameras represent a good implementation of mirrorless technology, yet they cater to distinct audiences with specific needs. While the Nikon Z8 stands out for its high-resolution sensor and cutting-edge video capabilities, the Canon EOS R1 focuses on delivering exceptional versatility and performance for professionals seeking a reliable, long-lasting workhorse. Let's break this down further. The Nikon Z8 is an undeniable powerhouse for photographers and videographers who prioritize resolution and detail. Its 45.4 megapixel sensor, coupled with the absence of an anti-aliasing filter, ensures that it captures intricate textures and fine details, making it an ideal choice for landscape, studio, and commercial photographers. The 8K video recording further extends its appeal to content creators looking for the highest cinematic quality. Additionally, its smaller and lighter form factor makes it a convenient option for professionals who travel extensively or shoot for extended periods. However, the Z8's significantly shorter battery life and low light performance thanks to advancements in light-gathering technology and its extended ISO range of up to 2,4800. This makes the R1 especially effective for wedding, sports, and wildlife photographers working in challenging lighting conditions. The articulated LCD screen and higher resolution EVF provide superior framing options for dynamic angles, while the built-in vertical grip enhances handling and battery life. Key features for portrait and event photographers. The 6K video resolution might fall short if compared with the Z8's capabilities, but it remains more than sufficient for most professional applications. Price is another critical consideration. Then at launch, the Z8 was priced significantly lower than the R1, offering an impressive value. However, the R1's higher initial cost reflects its integrated features, newer technologies, and extended battery life, elements that reduce the need for additional gear, offsetting some of the price disparity over time. For photographers specializing in action or sports photography, the Canon EOS R1 edges ahead with its faster burst rates and longer battery life, allowing for more extended shooting sessions without interruptions. The Nikon Z8, with its 30 FPS, burst shooting, and faster mechanical shutter speed, offers its own appeal to action photographers, but requires careful planning around battery life limitations. Well-rounded performance and features, but the Nikon Z8 shines in areas like detail reproduction, video quality, and portability. So Nikon gives the EOS R1 a good run for its money and can be considered one of the best for the price range as of now, though the EOS R1 is the overall better all-rounder performer. All in all, the Nikon Z8 is a very good camera, no doubt, and would be a good choice if you are looking for everything on a budget. However, the EOS R1 is the best of its class. It cannot be beaten by the Z8, which was made to be a budget performer. So, that's all about the Nikon Z8 versus Canon EOS R1. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.